Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit. So to perform a factory reset we need to use gestures, the touch areas located at the back side of each earbud. So right here we have BELKIN and this one is touch areas. What you should do is to press and hold at the both of your earbuds until the LED lights start blinking white and blue. So press and hold. Firstly start blinking blue, it's okay, don't worry, just keep holding these touch areas. And now we have it, the LED light turn off. Now we need to remove them from the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and we need to tap on them. And we just reconnect them, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!